Over here, this is a 1974 cargo track built by Bombardier. So it's meant to carry fuel, ammunition. So you imagine it's winter time, the helicopter lands, brings you your all your supplies, but you got to get it into the woods. Helicopter can't land in the woods, so you load everything up onto this and it would take it into the woods. It's a 2-track, right? And it turns by slowing 1 track down. So the operator would be on the back and he would turn left and right and it pivots around. It'll carry 800 pounds of equipment across soft, deep snow with no problem whatsoever. And it's very unique because Bombardier was developing these in 1974 for the Canadian military, but they never made them. They never accepted them for whatever reason. They only built 4. They built 4 prototypes, and this is prototype number 1. So it's pretty unique. Runs really well. It's got forward, reverse. And like I said, it's really unique that you stand on the back of it as sort of cargo and drive it around. Just pop the hood here. A lot of people ask me how does it steer, and it's a very unique system. So you can see the wheels up front. You have a reverse wheel here, and you have the 2 driving wheels. So you guys know on a bicycle, you have gears, like the bigger gear and the smaller gear. When you change the gears, you change the size, right? It's no gears, it's a clutch system. So when you turn the steering, you can see it pulls the belts farther down to the clutch, which actually slows down the track and the other way around. And then when you're going straight, it sort of just equals out to the same speed. So it was made with all off-the-shelf parts. The guys at Bombardier said, okay, we got to do this. How do we make it work? So, we can grab a pulley here and a pulley there. And these actual pulleys are actually standard Bombardier drive pulleys that are actually on the motor. And they just put some springs on it to make it work. And it's pretty incredible. And it's just flat bars of steel welded and chain. And it's nothing, like I'm sure somebody can make this in their garage pretty easily. It's a 247 Rotax. So it's the same as an Elan Skidoo, like a 1970s Elan Skidoo. It does about 10 miles an hour, according to the documents, forward. That's about as fast as you can jog or run. So, and it's pretty unique. And the fact that there was only 4 of these made, and I've seen photos. I actually talked to an owner who has one just outside of Ottawa. His is still running, and there's 2 other ones I've seen pictures of, and that's it. It's pretty neat. It's a lot of fun.